This day and age, you can find a flat screen TV in nearly every home. In some homes, you may even find one in every room. It has become a symbol of togetherness, entertainment, and home. A symbol of family. But most families don't know the danger they pose to the children we enjoy them with. Improper or unsecured TVs can cause harm. A simple bump, tap, touch, or unexpected incident can cause an improper or unsecured TV to fall or tip over, causing serious injury or death. A TV toppling over and crushing a child happens far too often. These incidents can be prevented. With Evolution Installs, you can find peace of mind. Peace of mind for you and your family. Our on-wall TV installation services take care of and minimize those unexpected threats in your home. Our audio, video, and TV installation professionals will professionally install and wall mount your flat screen TV or TVs properly and securely with one goal in mind: safety. Allowing you and your family to enjoy being together, sitting back, relaxing as you enjoy watching your favorite shows on that massive flat screen TV without the worry. Home is meant for family, so making and keeping safe starts with you. Please do not hesitate to reach out, even if it's for a simple hello, as a quick call can make a life of difference, or a difference in your life.